everyone, it's Phoebe and I am here with the new Smooshy Mushy Sugar Fix. This is series 5 and these are so stinking cute. There's a little hedgehog, an octopus, which I totally want to get, a giraffe, a unicorn, bunny, deer, a cat, and it looks like a seal. So I'm super excited to see these. The giraffe and the octopus are definitely top of my list. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Their containers are always so cute. Oh! Well, I spoiled myself, but let's just look at it. It says Felina Fawn. She comes with bubble gum. Ooh. So she came in the purple. Bingo. I love bingo. First scratch off to reveal your besties. Then match and scratch to play. Reveal your code and download a prize. Ooh. We will do that in a second. Here's my little bingo card. Anyway, let's take a look at our girl. Maybe we should do all the bingo at the end. I think that's a good idea. Ooh, she smells so good. Aw, here she is. She feels kind of hard. Yeah, she's not super duper squishy. Not as squishy as usual. Cute. Look at the little bubble gum. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. I love it. And of course you get your little mini container. Ah, so cute. Okay, let's put them up here. And we'll keep opening and then we'll do bingo at the end. Now, usually the colors do correspond to which one you can get, so hopefully that's true for this series as well. Okay, I'm gonna not look in the bottom this time. We'll just take our little person out here. Oh, we have the cute little hedgehog. She's adorable. Definitely squishier than our last one. She also smells amazing. And inside we have... Aw, this cute little lollipop whose eye's been poked out. So cute. In the back. Alright, next up is pink. Really hoping to get the giraffe and the octopus. Oh, we got the cute little unicorn who's making an evil little face. This one is not as squishy as the hedgehog. Cute! Got a cotton candy with an eye patch. This one makes a little bit less sense to me than the other one having an eye patch, but whatever. Last one, our last chance. Yay! Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Ooh, it's nice and slow rising too. And it smells amazing. So let's check out our little friend. Oh, cute. It's a little striped candy. Okay, guys, we have lots of bingo to play. I'm gonna go get a coin so we can play some bingo. Alright. Time to scratch it off.
Get one free space in the middle. Right in the middle. This one is identical to the last one, which means we also